How to place a HUD bid. We get this question a lot. Take a look at this video. Hope it helps. So before you go and actually place your HUD bid, you're going to have to register. So go to HUDHomestore.com. You're going to go to log in, even though you don't have anything yet, just log in. Then you're going to go down to click here to register. And you're going to actually fill in all of these questions that they ask, and you're going to actually register with the HUD Homestore. So fill all of that out, click that you're not a robot, and then hit submit, and you are good to go. So go to your internet browser, type in HUDHomestore.com. It's going to bring you to the HUD Homestore. Click on the state that you're interested in. So we're going to click on New York. Then you're going to actually enter in some of the address into the search bar on the top. Hit enter. It's going to actually bring you to the property. Click on the property ID number. It's going to bring you to some additional information about the property. Click on submit a bid. Then you're going to put in your NAID number. You're also going to have to put in your license number and put in that you are the selling broker. After you're done with this, you're going to have to click down on the bottom in that box saying that you're not a robot, and then verify NAID number. The NAID number, remember, is going to be with your broker. Your broker is going to have the NAID number. You're going to have to get it from him. Alright, now we're going to be able to actually put in all of our information for our bid. Remember, you only have 15 minutes to do this, so you might have to come back and redo this because you won't have all the information up front possibly. Don't get thrown off by this part. Just put in the number that they're offering. Remember that the commissions and that are going to come out of it, and that's fine. Go through each one of these lines. I'm not going to do line by line here, but just read through these and enter them based off of what your buyer is looking for. Remember, you will need their social security number. Just remind them it's a government website, and that is how they keep track of who's bought these before and whether or not they've purchased a HUD property as an investor or an owner-occupant. And then when you're done, you're going to click continue, remembering there's only 15 minutes to actually go through this entire thing. So once you've actually placed your bid, you're going to actually wait for an email from HUD. If you get an email, that means that they've accepted the offer, and they'll explain what to do next in the email. If they don't accept your offer, you're not going to get an email, a call, or anything. The only way that you're going to find out that it wasn't accepted is one, well, you won't get an email, but two, you can log into the system and you'll see in the system under bids, CL or CR, which means that it's a canceled bid. Essentially, they did not accept it. They're rejecting that bid. So that's the long and short of it. Hopefully this helped a little bit. Let us know if you have any additional questions. Thanks for watching.